dear students. Last class നമ്മൾ ലോസ് ഒക്കെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തായിരുന്നു. എല്ലാവരും ലോസ് ഒക്കെ പഠിച്ചോ? പഠിക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? ആർക്കും തന്നെ ഒരു ഡൗട്ടും ഇല്ല, പഠിക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലേ? എങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് എക്സസൈസ് 12.1 ബാക്കി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ചെയ്യാം. Okay, evaluate the negative power. Last class was discussed about the negative powers. How can we avoid the negative powers? Anybody who can say that one? How can we avoid? ബുക്ക് തുറന്നു നോക്കണ്ട. എങ്ങനെയാണ് നെഗറ്റീവ് പവേഴ്സ് നമ്മൾ അവോയ്ഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? By writing the reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal എഴുതി കഴിയുമ്പോൾ ആ നെഗറ്റീവ് പവർ പോസിറ്റീവ് ആവും അല്ലേ? നോക്കിയത് 8 raised to minus 1 into 5 raised to 3 whole divided by 2 raised to minus 4. മുമ്പ് എല്ലാവരും ഇങ്ങനെ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് എടുത്ത് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലെ? ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് ഉണ്ട്, നോട്ട് ബുക്ക് ഉണ്ട്, പേനയുണ്ടല്ലോ. 8 raised to minus 1 into 5 raised to 3 അപ്പോൾ 2 raised to minus 4 ആണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ഈ നെഗറ്റീവ് പവേഴ്സിനെ അവോയ്ഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ നമുക്ക് റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എഴുതാം. ഓക്കെ, എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം? ഇത് 8 raised to minus 1 ആണ്. 8 raised to minus 1 റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എഴുതുന്നത് എന്താ? 8 ന്റെ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എന്താ? 1/8 ആണല്ലോ. അപ്പൊ 1/8 raised to 1 വരും. നല്ല റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ അല്ലേ? അതിന്റെ 1/8 raised to 1. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി 5 raised to 3 പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണ്. ഞാൻ മുകളിൽ തന്നെ എഴുതിയാൽ 5 raised to 3 അല്ലേ? പോസിറ്റീവ് പവർ. Then upon 2 raised to minus, this is നോക്കുന്നത് 1/2 raised to minus 4 ആണല്ലോ. 2 is in the denominator. 1/2 raised to minus 4. Reciprocal 1/2 in reciprocal is 2 raised to 4 ആണ്. കണ്ടല്ലോ? 2 raised to 4 is also come to the numerator. മുകളിൽ എഴുതുക 2 raised to 4 ആണ്. You understand? What we do? First 8 raised to minus 1. Separately I just show you. Okay. It's this for understanding. 8 raised to minus 1. The reciprocal is 1/8 raised to 1. Then 1/2 raised to minus 4 ആണ്. 2 raised to minus 4 denominator ആണ് അല്ലേ? So 1/2 raised to minus 4 the reciprocal എന്ന് വരും 2 raised to 4. Am I correct? 2 raised to 4. Numerator 2 raised to 4 numerator. Okay. Then now we can solve 1 into 5 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4 upon 8 raised to 1. And 8 we can write as power of 2. Factor of 2. 8 in a factor of 2. Factorize it 2 4 again 2 2. For 8 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 2 ന്റെ ക്യൂബ്. 2 is multiplied 3 times. 2 cube is 8. Instead of 8 I just write 2 cube. Clear? Any doubt in any steps? It's 8 I just write as 2 cube. Clear? First we write the reciprocals. Reciprocals means no need of doing like this. This is first question that's why I write. Okay. The numerator പറയാം, ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചോ. ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിൽ നെഗറ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിനെ ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിലേക്ക് എഴുതുക. ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിലെ നെഗറ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിനെ ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിലേക്ക് എഴുതുക. ക്ലിയർ ആയി? ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിലാണ് നെഗറ്റീവ്, അതിനെ നമ്മളോട് ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിൽ എഴുതിയപ്പോൾ പോസിറ്റീവായി. 8 raised to minus 1 നെഗറ്റീവ് പവർ നമ്മൾ ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ എഴുതിയപ്പോൾ പോസിറ്റീവായി. ഓക്കെ, ക്ലിയർ? Just change numerator to denominator. If it is negative power, okay. Otherwise, it's 5 raised to 3 is positive. Then you have to write the numerator itself. Then I just convert this 8 as the factor of 2. Its 2 cube is 8. പിന്നെ ചോദിക്കാൻ 8 എവിടെ പോയത്? 2 raised to 4 upon 2 raised to 3. This 5 cube I just write as 5 cube. Then into this is 2 raised to 4 divided by 2 raised to 3. It's a raised to m by a raised to n. What is that? A raised to m minus n. This will be used here. 2 raised to 4 by 2 raised to 3 is equal to 2 raised to 4 minus 3. Okay. Therefore 2 raised to 4 minus 3 just right here. That is 5 cube into 2. 2 raised to 4 minus 3 is 2 raised to 1 or 2. Then is equal to 5 cube is 125 into 2. It's 250. Answer is 250. Or we can cancel this also here. This means 4 2's are there. Here 3 2's. From that we can cancel. Like that also can really use this identity. Then it is easy. This one 2 raised to 5 cube into 2 raised to 4 by 2 raised to 3. Okay. And this means this 5 cube into 2 how many times? It is 4 times. Then denominator 3 times. Then from this 3 you can cancel 3. Then 5 cube into 2. Same answer. 5 cube into 2. That means from this 4 we can cancel 3. Then remaining 1 will be. In this step we can one step we can finish. Otherwise we can use this identity and also. Okay. Next one is find the value of m. This is 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. We have to find the value of m. And let's see. This 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 is a raised to m divided by a raised to n. What is that? It is a raised to m minus n. That is 5 raised to m minus n is minus 3. Here you have to write inside 1. Then is equal to right side is same 5 raised to 5. Clear? Then this one m minus 3 is what? M plus 3 equal to 5 raised to 5. Then let's see in both sides these bases. Base is 5. These bases are same. 5 is the base. Therefore we can equate this power. Okay, equating powers. Equating powers. Here the power is m plus 3. Is equal to right side the power is 5. M plus 3 is equal to 5 or m is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. Value of m is 2. M equal to 2. Clear? The bases are same. Therefore we are equating the powers. Here the power is m plus 3 is equal to 5. Then m is equal to 2. So many brackets. Okay. It's 1 by 3 the whole raised to minus 1 minus 1 by 4 the whole raised to minus 1 the whole raised to minus 1. Okay. Then first solve this one. 1 by 3 raised to minus 1. That is reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3. 3 raised to 1. Okay. Okay. Then minus 1 by 4 raised to minus 1 is 4 raised to 1. Isn't it? Next, the whole raised to minus 1. Then first solve this is 3 raised to 1 minus 4 raised to 1 is 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? It is minus 1 raised to, this one is minus 1 raised to minus 1. Then what is minus 1 raised to minus 1? Minus 1, reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1 by 1. This is minus 1. Is equal to minus 1. Answer is minus 1. Is it difficult? No. But by seeing the question, we just feel like it is very difficult, but it is very easy. Question കണ്ടിട്ട് പേടിക്കേണ്ട ഓരോ ആവശ്യങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? 7th one. So simplify. 25 into 10 raised to minus 4 whole divided by 5 raised to minus 3 into 10 into 10 raised to minus 8 and t not equal to 0. Value of the variable t is not equal to 0. If t is 0, then full answer is 0. Then 25. First you have to write these numbers. 25, 10 is also there. This we can convert to factors of prime. Okay. Factorize this one. 25 we can factorize. This is 5 square. Right? 5 into 5 is 25 or 5 square is 25. Into 2 raised to minus 4 upon. Then 5 raised to minus 3 into 10. 10 just factorize. What is 10? 5 to 5. 2 into 5 is 10. 2 into 5. Just write out 2 into 5. Into 2 raised to minus 8. Then next, നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞായിരുന്നു നെഗറ്റീവ് ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിൽ നെഗറ്റീവ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് എഴുതണം? ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിലോട്ട് എഴുതണം. ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിലെ നെഗറ്റീവ്സിനെ എടുത്ത് ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിൽ എഴുതണം. ഫസ്റ്റ് യു ഹാവ് ടു റൈറ്റ് വാട്ട് ദ തിങ്സ് ഈസ് ദേർ ദ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ. ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിൽ 5 സ്ക്വയർ ഉണ്ട്, അത് എഴുതി. Then ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിലെ നെഗറ്റീവ് പവേഴ്സ് 5 raised to minus 3 ഉണ്ട്, 5 raised to 3 ആയി. Then t raised to minus 8 is t raised to 8. Then denominator ഈ t raised to minus 4 ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിൽ നെഗറ്റീവ് പവേഴ്സ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ പോസിറ്റീവ് പവർ ആയി. Then into 2 into 5 ഉണ്ട്. Is it clear? First denominator is 5 square into 5 cube. 5 cube എവിടെ നിന്ന്? So denominator it is minus 3, therefore we write as a numerator. Then t raised to 8 is there t raised to minus 4 let me know 8 only. You will ask definitely. It's t raised to minus 8 in the denominator. Then we have to write this as a numerator for avoiding negative power is t raised to 8. Then numerator t raised to minus 4 is negative, therefore we write as the denominator. Then 2 into 5 is already there in the denominator. It's 10. This 10 is 2 into 5. Then cancel. We can cancel. 5 raised to 2. Here 1 5 is there. From these 2 cancel 1 5. Okay. So 5 into 5. From that 5 cancel 1 5. Then 5 raised to 1 is there. Then t raised to 8. T raised to 4 is cancelled. 4 t is cancelled. Remaining 4. മനസ്സിലായോ? t raised to 8 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാല് t നെ 8 പ്രാവശ്യം മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തു. ഇവിടെ 8t ഉണ്ട്, ഇവിടെ 4t ഉണ്ട്. ഈ 4t 8t നെ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്തു. 4 plus 4 ആണ് 8. റിമൈനിങ് t raised to 4 ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. മനസ്സിലായോ? അല്ലെങ്കിൽ t raised to 8 by t raised to 4. എന്താണ് t raised to 8 minus 4 ആണ്. അത് t raised to 4 ആണ്. t raised to 4. Then 5 into 5 cube into 2 t raised to 4 under denominator it is 2 is there. Then 5 into 5 cube into t raised to 4 upon 2. 5 into 5 cube is 2 5 t raised to 4 upon 2. So simplified 4. The clear eye this one. Okay, this one will cancel. It's all 5 square. From this 5 square 1 5 cancel, then 1 5 is left, that is this one. Then 5 cube. Then t raised to 8 and t raised to 4. T raised to 4 is cancelled, remaining t raised to 4. Then these 2. That is. Then second question. T raised to, first we can change this one. Negative power to denominator and from the denominator negative power we can write as numerator. 3 raised to power denominator like പോവാണ്. Positive only 125 is there. Then negative power 5 raised to 7 is the denominator. Then 6 raised to 5. So reciprocals. Then 3 raised to minus 5 denominator 3 raised to 5. Then 10 raised to minus 5 is 10 raised to 5. Clear? 3 raised to 5 comes to denominator and also 10 raised to 5 minus 5 is also in the denominator, 10 raised to 5. Then 5 raised to minus 1 goes to the numerator and 6 raised to minus 5 also goes to numerator. Then 125 is there. Then 125 you can factorize. What is 125? By 5s, 25 5s, okay, 5. It's 5 cube. Okay. 125 write as 5 cube into 5 raised to 7 into 6 raised to 5. Then 6 raised to 5 we can change 6 we can factorize, it is 2 into 3 6. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. Then the whole power 5. 2 into 3 is 6. Whole power 5 upon 3 raised to 5 into 10 is 2 into 5. 2 into 5 and power is also there. 5 is the power. Clear? 6 and 2 into 3 there is 6 raised to 5 under then 10 2 into 5 maybe 6 2 into 3 10 2 into 5 and the power is also 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 7. A raised to m into A raised to n. What is that? A raised to m plus n. That is 5 raised to 10. 3 plus 7, 10. Into this one. A raised to A into B. Like this one is there. A into B, the whole raised to m. Then we can split this one. A raised to m into B raised to m. That is 2 into 3, the whole raised to 5 is 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 5. Just split it. Then 3 raised to 5 into this one also we can split it. 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. 2 into 5 is 10 raised to 5. First we write 2 into 5 the whole raised to 5. Then using this one just split these things. 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. Then we can cancel. 2 raised to 5 is here in the denominator. Then 3 raised to 5 is here in the denominator. 10 and 5 raised to 5. That's right. 5 raised to 10 upon 5 raised to 5. It's 5 raised to 10 minus 5. It is 10. 5 raised to 5. Answer is 5 raised to 5. Okay. Or we can cancel here. 10 5s are there. Here 5 5s are there. From that we can cancel. We will get a 5 raised to 5. എനിക്കറിയാം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഹോംവർക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ ഭയങ്കര ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. പക്ഷെ ഇതിലൊരു രണ്ടെണ്ണം കേട്ടോ. 4ന്റെ സെക്കൻഡ് 6ന്റെ